Welcome to our comprehensive workshop series dedicated to the complete service of the Audi Q5. This series encapsulates all 10 critical processes required to maintain your luxury SUV, ensuring it operates flawlessly and efficiently. From the moment the Q5 glides into our workshop, a seamless journey begins with the creation of a detailed job card, capturing all essential service information, allowing technicians to prioritize tasks accurately. As the Audi Q5 undergoes its basic inspection, each component is meticulously evaluated. With clean, bright lighting, we carefully lift the vehicle onto a hydraulic lift. Observing the underbody tray, our technicians diligently remove it to access the engine oil. Draining old oil is crucial, and every process is amplified with smooth camera shots that bring clarity to the procedure. Once drained, the team replaces oil, air, and cabin filters, ensuring all components are Audi-approved to maintain the integrity of your vehicle. The brake inspection unfolds next, wherein each caliper and pad undergoes scrutiny to ensure safety and performance. Tire rotation happens simultaneously alongside fluid checks. Coolant, brake, windshield, and power steering fluids are analyzed for optimal performance. An OBD scan follows, exposing potential faults, after which a final road test ensures the car's functionality is intact. After the thorough services, the Q5 is revitalized through a careful washing and vacuuming process, presentable for a satisfied customer. For a dedicated segment on engine oil and oil filter change, watch as the hood opens, revealing the heart of the vehicle. The engine cover's removal unveils the intricate components, including loosening the filler cap, lifting the car, and draining oil efficiently. Replacing the filter and adding fresh oil, the dipstick and MMI are used to ensure levels are perfect before idling the engine. The brake pad inspection and replacement tutorial highlights the importance of safety. Wheel nut removal, lifting, and precise checks of pad thickness culminate in the application of brake grease and reassembly, an intricate dance of mechanics emphasized with visual labels. Furthermore, we dive into battery testing, highlighting health checks and safe installation of new units, underlining critical terminal sequences. The series continues with suspension and underbody inspections, AC performance checks, and the DSG transmission service, each segment packed with vital information. The wheel alignment and balancing process ensures driving stability, capped off with a final quality check to guarantee utmost customer satisfaction, presenting a clean delivery of a newly serviced Audi Q5, emphasizing that all checks are complete.